A new dawn breaks over Bulacan, and the sound you hear isn't just another jet. It's the roar of progress. The new Manila International Airport, or NMIA, is finally taking shape, cranes pivoting against the sunrise as thousands of workers bring this vision to life. For decades, Manila's airport congestion was a national headache, endless queues, delays, and frustration. But today, the Philippines is making its boldest move yet. A world-class gateway rising from the water, promising to end the gridlock. This isn't just about runways. It's about national pride and a leap into the future. Engineers and builders work with focused determination, knowing every beam and pane of glass is a step toward a new era. The NMIA is more than a construction project. It's a symbol of hope for millions who've endured the old system. The scale is breathtaking, the ambition clear to rival Asia's best and redefine the nation's place in the world. Will it deliver? Early signs are promising, and the energy on site is electric. For the Philippines, this airport is more than concrete and glass. It's the final answer to decades of gridlock. For years, arriving at NAIA felt like a test of patience. Cramped terminals, endless lines, and constant delays. Designed for far fewer passengers, NAIA became a bottleneck, stifling business and tourism. Quick fixes couldn't solve the fundamental problem. There was simply no room left to expand. Surrounded by Metro Manila's sprawl, the airport's limitations became a national crisis. The government tried renovations and upgrades, but these were just band-aids. The situation demanded a bold solution, not just for convenience, but for the country's economic future. The dream of a new, world-class airport was born out of necessity, not just ambition. The Philippines needed more than a facelift. It needed a reinvention. NAIA's struggles became the catalyst for a leap of faith. The answer? Build a new gateway, just north of the capital, designed for the future. The nation was ready to bet big on progress. NMIA is more than a new airport. It's a statement of intent. The Philippines is planting its flag on the map of 21st century Asia, aiming to become a central hub for travel, trade, and tourism. For too long, Manila was bypassed for slicker hubs like Singapore and Hong Kong. NMIA changes the game, offering massive capacity, cutting-edge tech, and seamless connectivity. The vision extends beyond terminals, an aerotropolis with business parks, logistics centers, and residential zones. This is about building an economic engine for the whole country, not just moving passengers. NMIA is a symbol of hope for OFWs, entrepreneurs, and the next generation. It's a promise of smoother journeys, better opportunities, and a more connected nation. The project is ambitious, expensive, and complex, but its potential to transform the Philippines is undeniable. It's a launchpad for a new Philippine century. The world is watching, and the stakes have never been higher. This is the Philippines' boldest move yet. Let's talk scale. NMIA's price tag is a staggering 735 billion pesos, about $15 billion. Built on 2,500 hectares, 4 times the size of Monaco, most of this land was reclaimed from the sea. 4 parallel runways, expandable to 6, will handle over 100 million passengers a year, triple NAIA's capacity. The economic impact is huge, hundreds of thousands of jobs, a massive supply chain, and a boost to local industries. But with size comes responsibility, especially for the environment. Developers promise flood defenses, mangrove restoration, and climate-resilient design. Building on reclaimed land means tackling flood risk and ecological impact head-on. Sustainability is built into the plan, adding complexity but ensuring a future-proof airport. The stakes are high, financially and environmentally. NMIA is a gamble, but one designed to pay off for generations. Building an airport on reclaimed land is a feat of modern engineering. Massive ships dredge sand from the seabed, raising new land in Bulacan, stable enough for terminals, runways, and heavy jets. The area is flood-prone, so engineers use soil consolidation and build on elevated platforms, future-proofing against climate change. Advanced computer models predict how the land will behave for decades. Drainage channels, dikes, and seawalls protect against flooding. Thousands of workers and a global supply chain keep the project moving. Every day brings new challenges, from environmental regulations to logistics. But with each layer of sand and concrete, the vision becomes reality. NMIA is more than an airport. It's a masterclass in mega construction. It's a bold statement of human ingenuity rising from the tides. NMIA is a job creation powerhouse, up to 400,000 jobs during construction, and 1 million more once operational. It's a lifeline for workers, engineers, and local businesses, injecting wages and opportunity into communities. The airport will be a city in itself, running 24/7 with roles from air traffic control to retail. Stable, formal employment will help grow the country's middle class. For business, NMIA means faster exports and a boost for agriculture, manufacturing, and e-commerce. For tourism, a world-class airport means more visitors, more jobs, and more growth. The surrounding region will see new roads, hotels, and housing, spreading prosperity beyond Metro Manila. Land values will rise, and new communities will flourish. NMIA is a catalyst for national development, not just a transport hub. It's an investment designed to pay dividends for decades. What makes an airport futuristic? Speed, ease, and stunning design. NMIA's terminal, designed by world-renowned architects, will be light-filled, green, and inspired by the Philippines' landscapes. But the real future is digital biometric check-ins, smart cameras, and seamless journeys where your face is your passport. A dedicated app will let you check flights, book parking, and navigate the terminal, all from your phone. For businesses, digital cargo tracking and automation will speed up logistics. Sustainability is central solar power, rainwater harvesting, and natural ventilation make NMIA one of Asia's greenest airports. Eco-friendly design cuts costs and carbon, ensuring long-term leadership. The airport is built to be a destination, not just a stopover. Technology and sustainability work hand in hand for a smarter, greener future. NMIA is redefining what an airport can be. NMIA is Metro Manila's ultimate 50-50, cutting congestion and doubling the benefits. Moving the airport to Bulacan removes a huge layer of traffic from the city, easing commutes and improving air quality. The land NAIA occupies can be redeveloped into parks, business districts, or homes, making Manila more livable. For travelers, NMIA means stress-free journeys, fewer delays, and more flight options. 4 runways mean no more bottlenecks, and increased competition could lower fares. For OFWs, coming home becomes a dignified, welcoming experience. Businesses benefit from faster logistics and better connectivity. The airport's new links, expressways, and future rail make moving goods and people easier than ever. By slashing congestion, NMIA unlocks the country's economic potential. It's a win-win for citizens, travelers, and the economy. The final question, can NMIA compete with Asia's airport giants, Changi, HKIA, Incheon? These hubs are efficient, massive, and world-renowned, but they're running out of space. NMIA's blank slate design means it can leapfrog legacy constraints, using the latest tech and planning for the future. With room for 6 runways and up to 200 million passengers, it's built for 2050, not just 2030. The Aerotropolis model, integrating business, logistics, and living, sets NMIA apart. It's not just an airport, but a new economic heart for the nation. The high cost reflects this ambition, but also its potential. NMIA's unique selling point is its scale, sustainability, and integration. The Philippines is moving from catching up to leading, learning from the best, but charting its own course. This is more than infrastructure. It's a symbol of national pride and a gateway to a brighter future. For a nation with so much potential, NMIA is a final answer worth betting on.